We are pleased to show you the 2020 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, power sunroof, backup camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.